Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Simply Kiwi. Today I'm doing another nail art video. This is my abstract stamped Holo mani. If you like nail art or anything nail art related, please consider subscribing. Also, click on your notification bell so you know when I upload new content to the channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick little mani. As you can see, I did some layering with the polishes as well as the stamping. If you like this nail art, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share it with your polish family and friends. I will see you in the next video, and remember to allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear. And please leave some comments below. I love to hear from you.